Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to wind off our series on Combined Science Paper 1 that was written in June 2025. We are going to cover the physics section from number 28 up to number 40. Besides the YouTube, I also have a WhatsApp channel where I post the quizzes for math and science. You can follow me on that channel also. Let us now dive straight into the question. Number 28 is reading. Which one is a form of potential energy? The correct answer is D, which is the chemical energy. The chemical energy is a form of potential energy that is stored in the bonds of atoms and molecules. The other options are not forms of potential energy. Heat energy is a form of thermal energy. Sound energy is a form of mechanical wave. And then kinetic energy is the energy of motion. So the correct answer on number 28 is the energy, which is D. We can now proceed to number 29. It is reading, which statement on magnetism is correct? The correct answer on number 29 is C. The ferromagnetic materials can be magnetized. The ferromagnetic materials are capable of being magnetized due to their atomic structure, which allows for strong magnetic properties. Examples of ferromagnetic materials, we have the iron, the nickel, and also the cobalt. These materials are strongly attracted to magnets and they can retain magnetism. So number 29, we are going to select C as answer. And then number 30. An irregular stone of mass 80 grams was lowered into a measuring cylinder containing water. The level of the water in the measuring cylinder rose from 16 cubic centimeters to 20 cubic centimeters. What is the density of the stone? So you need to know the formula of calculating the density. The formula for density is mass over volume. So the mass is 80 grams and the volume, we are going to say 20 cubic centimeters minus 16 cubic centimeters, which is equal to 4 cubic centimeters. So if we say 80 divided by 4, we are going to get 20 grams per cubic centimeters. So the correct answer is D on number 30. Let us now put number 31. Number 31, the diagram shows a stroke of an engine. Which stroke is shown? So this one is a compression stroke. In the compression stroke of an internal combustion engine, both the inlet and the exhaust valves are closed. That is what is shown on that diagram. And also the arrow is going upwards, which means that the piston moves upwards, compressing the air-fuel mixture in the cell. This prepares the mixture for ignition. So the correct answer is A, which is the compression. We can now proceed to number 32. Number 32 is reading, what is inertia? So on number 32, the correct answer is D. Inertia is the reluctance of a body to change its state of rest or its velocity. Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist changes in its state of motion. This concept is based on the Newton's first law of motion, which states that an object at rest will remain at rest and an object in motion will continue to move with a constant velocity unless acted on by an external force. So we are going to select D on number 32. And then number 33. Number 33 is not complete question. We are not going to answer it right now. Even number 34, it was cut. So we can now proceed to number 35. Number 35 is reading, what is the unit for work done? So the correct answer on number 35 is C. Work done is measured in joules. It is defined as the amount of work done when a force of 1 Newton is applied over a distance of 1 meter. So it means that 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter. So the correct answer is on number 35. And then number 36, the unit Pascal can be expressed as, correct answer is B, which is Newton per square meter. So you need to know that the Pascal is unit for pressure, is equal to force over area, and then the force is measured in newtons, while the area is measured in square meters. So that is why we are selecting newtons per square meter as our answer. And then the next question, a machine raises a load of 20 newtons using an effort of 5 newtons. What is the mechanical advantage of the machine? So the formula of calculating mechanical advantage is load over effort. So we are going to say mechanical advantage is 20 newtons divided by 5 newtons, so that we get our answer is 4. Mechanical advantage, it doesn't have the units since it is just a ratio. So the correct answer is 4 on that question. We can now proceed to the next question. We are provided with a diagram of a lift pump. What happens to the valve Y and Z during the upward stroke? So during the upstroke of a lift pump, the inlet valve that is at the bottom of the pump, that is our valve Z, it is going to open, allowing water to enter the cylinder. And then the outlet valve at the top of the pump is going to close. As the piston moves upwards, water is drawn into the cylinder through the inlet valve. So we are going to select A as our answer on number 38. The valve Z, which is at the bottom, is going to open, while the valve Y, which is at the top, is going to close. And then we move on to number 39. The pipes of solar water heater are painted black because correct answer is A, is good absorber of heat. The pipes in solar water heater are often painted black because black surfaces are good absorbers of heat and light. This helps to maximize the absorption of solar energy, increasing the temperature of the water in the pipes. This design enhances the efficiency of solar water heater. So number 4 was cut again. We are going to end on number 39. This marks the end of our tutorial today on the physics section of Combined Science Paper 1. If you are interested in joining my WhatsApp classes, I run them every day from Monday to Friday, 7 to 8 p.m. and it is $10 per month. Thank you so much. Let us have another session on Combined Science Paper 2.